Grammy Award-winning, platinum-selling, Jersey-born and raised hip-hop artists. And they're here to perform 2 of their classic songs and their latest single called Get to Know Me Better. Give it up for Naughty by Nature!
Put your hands up, put your hands up. Somebody in the place, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Yo, somebody say O.P.P. Can you know me? Say O.P.P. Can you know me?
O.P.P. How can I explain it? I take it frame by frame it. That y'all all jumping, shout, saying it. Always for other peers, some people scratch it. Say what? The last scene, well,
That's not that super high.
it's sort of like a way to call a catechism. It's my little letter that I'm missing. Yeah, get it on and kick it at the other party in the game.
If you gotta talk to explain it, bust it.
Yes, I had a girl that I want to make a love. They got a name and I'm in that very in my life. You get on with it, it's what you want to know about. Do you call up and it's a girlfriend or a cousin's house? It's not a fun to act my throat. This is a weapon that I have.
Oh, that's your secret.
It's O.P.P. Some other people see you get it. It's over for relationships and things.
New song, new song, brand new song, y'all. Somebody put your hands up, put your hands up. Now clap it up, 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 clap it up. Yo, somebody say, what's your name? You got me going insane. What else? See what's between the thighs. Sweet as mama sharing pie. Can't lie, I must have hit it. Straight up, I wanna hit it. We'll have a lot. What else? I blow that like bubble gum. Oh, we can trip out the back of the club, a bottle of bug, and bring your girlfriend too. I really keep up well in your town and get down because I can flip in it down. You find out you play with toys till you had a naughty boy. But I can get it well. Just get to know me better. 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 Hey, just get to know somebody say, come on, y'all. Wendy Williams, we coming live and direct. New York City, put your hands in the air. Hey, say what? Say what? Louder. Yeah. You drew a picture of my morning, but you couldn't make my day. I'm rocking in your unit, but you never look my way. I'm looking down your darling in every single way. You're acting on, come in, my homie Wendy's on the way.
They got that to do with shampoo, but watch your head and shoulder. From the older ones and up the most of you, I told ya. I ain't afraid of what I make them play the first of funky bits, so say you put your shit. But I need to get a monkey bit.
Triggers from the real town, ill town. From to a bill down. Those I will to a still round. Where the freestyle dance, the memo up, kid hits them. Tricky what you think it calls off dancing.
I live it up for hip hop. This is hip hop for the day. I get props to hip hop for hip hop. Somebody say Wendy.
Hey!
So good. Oh, you guys. I'm so out of breath. When I dreamt of having a talk show, this is part of exactly what I wanted. KG, Trench, Vinny, no, this is Jersey at its finest. And it's so nice to see that you guys are still together and doing great things. I remember back in about 2008, the group was not together. You know, I think you went off to do your own thing, and then these two, but you're back together.
Yes.
And can I just add that, physically speaking, and I forget how old everybody is, right? This is good, right? And one of the things that Naughty's been doing is performing for the troops in Iraq. Tell us all about that.
beautiful thing. Our homie DJ Scribble, he's been trying to get a lot of artists out there with him. They always told him, you got to bring a group with you. A lot of people were scared or backed out last minute, but through the USO, they said, Naughty, we need you, so we came out.
And, you know, when I heard this story, because you said that it's you guys and Public Enemy. Who's going over there? What's
no,
your
it's DJ Scribble.
DJ Scribble, but what about another hip-hop group? Nobody else hip-hop?
Trying.
See, people have to do that because there's a lot of our people who are going over there and would love to see you.
Exactly.
Yeah. Real good. So, is everybody still living in Jersey?
Jersey?
Yes. Yes, good.
And Wendy, I gotta tell you, Tretch insisted, he screamed on all of us, like, we have to book Wendy's show.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Your music is timeless, and you know that. You probably knew that when you were making it. I mean, who's not down with O.P.P? and whatnot. And you know, the audience just really appreciates you, and we appreciate you for coming here. Thanks for helping us relive, some time. And you guys. You can download Naughty by Nature's new single, Get to Know Me Better, on iTunes. Everyone in the audience is getting their single right here, the CD, Naughty by Nature t-shirts as well.